Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix the can't reply to an Instagram story. This video is just a step-by-step process in order to solve our problem. So, the step 1 is to check the Instagram server status. The Instagram might be down and preventing replies. Open the web browser and go to down detector. Search for Instagram and check if others report issues. If the servers are down, wait for the Instagram to fix it. The step 2 is check if the replies are disabled. The story owner might have the restricted replies. Ask the person to check their story settings. They can go to settings and privacy, then tap the message and story replies. Ensure that allow replies is turned on. The step 3 is restart the Instagram app. Close and reopen your Instagram. If that doesn't work, restart your phone. The step 4 is clear the cache. Long press the Instagram icon, then tap the app info. Then tap the storage and cache in order to clear the cache. Here's the step 5. You need to update or reinstall the Instagram. Go to the App Store or your Google Play Store, then search for Instagram, then tap update. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the Instagram again. And if it's still not working, try logging out and back in or switching to another network like Wi-Fi or mobile data. And that's it. By following those simple steps, we can now able to reply to an Instagram story. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Instagram tips. Thanks for watching.